Hello and welcome. This is the first in a series of tutorials showing you how to predict with spreadsheets. In this particular tutorial we're just going to look at some spreadsheet basics so that you're ready to begin the actual work with data. So I'm opening up Microsoft Excel, but you could also use Apple Numbers, you could also use Google Sheets. Any of these will work fine. And in this first tutorial I'll just give you a run through of some of the basics. What we're going to do first of all is just create a simple spreadsheet which will take a look at how old some people are, and it will then work out what their average age is and a few other things with that. So I've got my people in there. You may recognize some of the names, and now I'm going to put in their ages, and we're going to find out the total years that have been on the earth. So I put in total years, and we need to add all of those up. So in order to add all of those up, I'm going to start with a formula which starts with an equals sign. All formulas start with equals, and then I'm going to use the range of cells from B4 through to B, what must be about 9. Now notice how I've done this with just adding them all together, and I get the answer 903. So that works, but I'm going to show you a quicker way to do that. So this time, instead of putting each of those cell addresses in separately, I'm going to use a sum function, and I get that by just typing equals sum, and then I'm just going to choose the range B4 to B9. And when I press the little tick at the top, it should show me that I have now added them all up and got the same answer, 903. But you can see that the formula was much easier. Now, to show how important it is to do this in a expedient way, imagine that I have a whole bunch of data like what I just put in, and now I'm going to use the first approach to adding all of those together. So my formula is going to be equals B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 all the way down to, I think it was about B31. Now that is going to be a huge sum, and I'm not even going to bother typing it all in. Instead of that, I'm going to use the sum function and put equals sum, open the parentheses, and close the parentheses, B4 to B33, and I get the answer 4515, which is a much faster way of doing it. So now I'm going to put the total years in again. I'm going to fix up my range so that it's accurate, and the total years of these people living on the planet is 903. Now, to work out the average, I can just take that total and divide it by the number of people. So the total is 903, which is cell B11. Notice I don't put the 903 in, I put in this cell, and divided by is a forward slash, and then I'm going to put in the 6, which is the number of people, and I see that the average age of the people is 150, and that's mainly because Nicholas Flamel is a bit of an outlier. Now I'll show another way of doing this, that is to use an inbuilt function. This time I'm going to click on average, and when I click average, you'll see that it already starts to put in the formula, and if I just choose the same range, B4 to B9, it gives me exactly the same answer. I don't have to worry about putting in my divided by because the average already works that out. So thanks for watching, and look for the next video, which will take you through collecting some actual data and working with that.